Hello and welcome to the Golf Diaries. Today we're looking at AutoGlanz FabriClean. Hello, welcome back to the Golf Diaries. My name's Mark, and if you're into your VWs, VW lifestyle, car care detailing, VW car shows, all that kind of good stuff, then hopefully you've come to the right place. So if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, press the bell icon, all that kind of good stuff. It just helps us grow. So appreciated, thank you. So what are we talking about today? Well, we are talking about cleaning fabric. Now, it's not a sexy job, but somebody's got to do it. And if there's a job that's not sexy, then it's normally my job to do it. So I will talk about FabriClean from AutoGlanz with gusto. It's a bit of a dull job, let's be honest, cleaning fabric. However, it's an important job. Now, I've just taken control, ownership of a VW Caddy, and it's carpeted in the rear, and I ride mountain bikes. That's my main hobby. So dirty mountain bikes, all that kind of stuff goes in the back of the Caddy. Carpeted, it's not going to end well. So I need to get myself a good fabric cleaner. Now, all-purpose cleaners can do the job and will do the job. Now, as you may know from a previous video that I did about Rebound, as a review of AutoGlanz Rebound, I'll put a link in the description below. You'll know that as much as I love all-purpose cleaners, I love Built Hamber Surfax HD. I'm a big Built Hamber fan, as you may know. But I don't necessarily like having lots of different dilutions in various trigger bottles. I like having dedicated products for dedicated jobs. It's just me, we're all different. So I was looking for a fabric cleaner that had been designed specifically for the job of cleaning fabric. And I came across this one when I discovered AutoGlanz. So I thought, well, it'll be one of the first products I try. And here it is. Now, one of the issues, which I was unaware of, but one of the issues with using an all-purpose cleaner as a fabric cleaner, and I'm not a physicist, okay, so if I'm wrong here, please feel free to correct me, but my understanding is it comes, a lot of the surfactants that all-purpose cleaners use to clean, that's their main job, are positively charged. I'm just checking whether it's positive or negative, because I'm sure that will make a difference. They are positively charged. So in effect, yes, it will clean, but it will leave the upholstery, the fabric, a little bit sticky, a little bit more susceptible to having basically dirt stick to it again in future. Now, this is what I've read. Obviously, I've got no way of proving that. I don't have access to a microscope and all this kind of equipment, and I'm not a physicist or a chemist. So if I'm wrong, please, comment down below. But that's my understanding of it. Now, with fabric cleaner, with the AutoGlanz FabriClean, they use a neutral surfactant, so there's no risk of that stickiness. It's basically been designed for kind of delicate upholstery, but obviously can be used on any upholstery. From carpets through to, well, any fabric really. This review is going well. I keep forgetting my words today, I'm sorry. But anyway, you get the idea. It's a fabric cleaning product and it's from AutoGlanz. If you'd like to know a little bit more about AutoGlanz, then please refer to my Rebound review, where I give you a little bit more of the background to the UK company. They're a UK-based company. They make all their own products here in the UK. It's family-owned, all pretty good value for money. I'm not affiliated to AutoGlanz in any way whatsoever. I bought this with my own money, and I'm picky as hell as to what I spend my money on. So I'm hoping this works well. Yeah, it will be a very honest review, warts and all. The bottle, it's a nice bottle, nice spray trigger. And with all the instructions where you'd expect them to be. Now, the instructions are very simple. So if it's light soiling, then you simply spray some of this into a microfiber and rub in one direction across the fabric, and then get a clean microfiber and rub it off. Okay, nice and simple. If it's heavy soiling, then you spray this directly onto the area you want to treat, agitate it with a brush or a microfiber, and then get another clean microfiber and pat it dry and get the rest of the dirt off. If you use a lot of this product, if you're going after a stain or something like that, then you may have to wet vac, but you're less likely to need to wet vac with this than you are with an all-purpose cleaner which has got a lot of water in it. So yeah, definitely that's another big advantage that this has, because I'll be honest, I don't have a wet vac. I need to get that sorted. So yeah, with no further ado, I'm testing on my garage carpet, my garage mat over there. I haven't carpeted my garage, that would be weird. But I do have a mat when you come through the door, so it's a lot of heavy footfall. There's one particular stain there that's not nice, yeah, I thought it's as good a thing as any to actually show you whether this works or not. So with no further ado, get cleaning. So hopefully you'll have seen in that video that there was a definite cleaning effect that took part on the carpet. I must admit the colour of the carpet isn't the greatest to show it, but I think you can just about make out a line, quite a visible line as to where it has cleaned. In terms of ease of use, I mean, you saw it for yourself, very, very easy to use. Again, I would probably, if I wasn't filming this for you guys, I would probably go back and give it a second pass. So I will be going back and giving it and just playing with it a little bit more. In my Land Rover, actually, ever since I bought it, the previous owners had obviously spilt something inside it, and I've tried lots of different fabric cleaners on that and all-purpose cleaners. Won't shift it. So I'm going to give this a test on that as well, and I'll perhaps film that if you think it will be of interest, and yeah, I'll share that with you and let you know how it gets on with a well-ground-in stain. But in terms of does it work? Well, yes, it does work. That's clear and apparent. And I think it's only going to be over time when I use this more and see how it copes with the carpeted upholstery and the Caddy with the mountain bikes that I'm going to be able to form a long-term opinion of it. I think it's all very well sitting here spraying stuff on a garage mat. It will show you its immediate kind of efficacy and how good it is. But obviously, it's a minute sample. So I'm going to need to play with this a little bit more, but I have to say first impressions are very good. Pricing starts at $8.95. It seems to be the standard price for AutoGlanz products to start for 500ml. So $8.95. Some of their products do start cheaper, I must admit. And I think from memory runs through to about $39.95 for 5 litres. So again, that's pretty good value. So yeah, that's FabriClean from AutoGlanz. So I'm going to go back and carry on cleaning that carpet. Is that weird? Might be. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'll see you again real soon. Take care and see you around.